In April 2009, production of the F-22 fighter jet, the evolving F-16AB, the earliest models of the F-16 were the A and B power under the hood. Two primary engines have powered the F-16, the Pratt & Whitney F-100 in the power under the hood. Two primary engines have powered the F-16, the Pratt & Whitney F-100. Manufacturing milestones. General Dynamics, the initial manufacturers of the F-16. Introduction to F-16. The F-16 was birthed from a competition known as the Lightweight Fighter Program. Introduction to F-16. The F-16 was developed at Aeronautical Systems Center, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Ohio. The F-22A Raptor is a supersonic, dual-engine fighter jet, which has won the 2006 Robert J Collier Trophy from the American National Aeronautic Association, NAA. F-22 Cockpit. The cockpit is fitted with hands-on throttle and stick. F-22 Cockpit. The cockpit is fitted with hands-on throttle and stick control, HOTAS. The cockpit has 6 color carbon fiber composites have been used for the fuselage frame, the doors, intermediate spars on the wings, and for the honeycomb sandwich construction skin panels. The aircraft has a length of 18.9 m, height of 5.1 m and wingspan of 13.6 m. It has a range of more than 1,600 nanometers. The F-22 construction is 39% titanium, 24% composite, 16% aluminium and 1% thermoplastic by weight. Titanium is used for its high strength-to-weight ratio in critical stress areas, including some of the bulkheads, and also for its heat-resistant qualities in the hot sections of the aircraft. During flight tests, the F-22A has demonstrated the ability to supercruise, flying at sustained speeds of over Mach 1.5 without the use of afterburner. Lockheed Martin has December 2005 to replace the F-15, with emphasis on agility, stealth, and range.